Alright, hope everyone's doing well. Really quick, I wanted to talk kind of something that it's very easy to forget about. It's, it happens to me all the time, and that is kind of the market cycle and just basic support and resistance. I gotta make this quick. I'm about to, I'm trading, I'm stopping, I'm not trading for the whole day today because I'm going out of town for a few days. But, anyways, one of the things you see price gap down below, fall below yesterday's low, turn up with a good buy signal bar, and then it does, just all this stuff right here. And, we think it's so easy to get, think, oh, it's so unfair, We try to break out to the upside, or, what I'm saying is it's so easy to look at this and, we see and ignore everything over here, but we see price, let me do it like this. See price, good bar one, then it falls below bar one, and then you buy above here. Do you get out below here? Do you get out below here? And, we're thinking, oh my gosh, it's so unfair, We 3 decent bars to the upside, then we reverse 3 decent bars to the downside, and then we look like we're failing here, then we turn down. What in the world's going on? But what we forget to do is we forget to look to the left. So what I want to do really quick is, if I can just try this. So I want to get rid of everything. Get rid of it all. And I want to get rid of this, and we'll just keep the moving average. So, here's the opening today. It's at yesterday's low. Let's look at a line chart. It's kind of pink, just easy. It stands out. It's easy for me to see it. And, I tried blue, but it kind of blends in with stuff. So anyways, bull breakout, second leg up, possibly second leg trap. And then, we start going sideways yesterday. We get like a higher low, higher high, then we get a lower low. So we're forming, sorry, 1 second. And, we're getting lower highs, lower lows. So look what happened here. We get a strong bear breakout, then a rally up to the new high. And we forget that from here at around 2:40 Central Time, 12:40 Pacific Time, close to the end of the day, we sell off from yesterday's over here to the low of today. And it's so easy to think, yeah, it's at the bottom of a trading range, Well, we got to remember, trading ranges can be channels or flat. So we have to remember that it's perfectly logical. Someone asked about actual and initial risk. So let's look at a bar chart. And look how tight this is. It's a very tight channel to the downside. So, it's a spike. Traders may sell down here, put their stop up here, and maybe they'll say, okay, I'll put my target down here, but I'm going to go for actual risk. Well, actual risk is here. So if they sold any of this close, let's say they sold this close right here, they're already at 1 times actual risk. So we have to remember, it's a spike, you may get a channel, spike, pullback, channel. Although this is disappointing and it went sideways for a while, it really was not even a 50% pullback. So it's still a strong move. If we look at here, we'd say, yeah, this is pretty strong. We're failing at the moving average, turning down. So, something to think about. Again, we get a spike down. We tried to break above the moving average, and we're failing. And these days can be tricky. They can be hard if you're not thinking in that kind of terms, So it's so easy to look and say, okay, buy above bar one. But if you do, and you see that, maybe you put your stop a little ways down. Well, decent buy signal, but we're getting bad follow through. We're getting a bull breakout, trying to break above the moving average, and we're failing. Bull breakout, trying to break above the moving average, we're failing. Another bull breakout, and we're failing. Arguably, it's a wedge, 1, 2, 3, but I wouldn't really think of it that way. We're trying to break above resistance, the moving average, and we're failing. So, something to think about is when you get a tight channel, it can be a spike. Actually, I think we had, so I want to look at something real quick. Let's look at the ES. Okay. If you're in the room, you saw Al post something like this, leg 1, leg 2. That's what he was talking about. All right, I got to post this video real quick, going out of town, and I would like to get it posted before the end of the week. So hope everyone has a great day, and I'll continue more about this.